Hearty welcome, students. Fantastic Friday. God bless you. Let us start the class. Today, we are going to learn about 2nd Standard 3rd Term Maths, Unit 6 Shapes and Nature of Objects. Come, let's start the class. Now, we are going to learn about 6.3 Shapes and Nature of Objects. Keywords: shapes, container, nature, items. Ravi and Vani went to the milk shop and then to a bookshop. Observe the objects they have in their hands to collect the items. See the picture. Who has the most suitable container to buy a milk? Why do you say so? Vani has a suitable container to have a milk. If you pour the milk in the plate, it will felt out. Next, see the picture. Which bag can be used to buy books? Why do you say so? Ravi and Vani went to the bookshop to buy books. So, which bags can be buy books? Yes. Vani's bag is suitable to buy books. Are you clear, children? Okay. Next, learn. See the picture here. Materials are stored in different containers based on their properties. Solid materials like rice can be stored in sacks. Liquid materials can only be kept in containers, and gases are stored in closed containers. Observe the above picture and match the following. First one, milk which will be stored in a glass. Rice we can store it in a sack. Water we can store it in a pot. Fruit can store it in a basket. Next, think like a mathematician. Gases are stored in closed containers. Why? Because it will be leak. Are you clear, children? Okay. Now we are going to learn about 6.4 Algorithms and Instruction. Keywords: Instruction steps. Kulali's plaything is different from all of ours. Children, did you bring the playthings that I told you yesterday? Yes, ma'am. I bought an indoor game board. Kulali explained the steps to play the board game Ludo. 2 to 4 players can play this board game by rolling a dice. Each player will have 4 coins at the bay. The aim of the game is to take all 4 coins to the end point. Player who does this first will be the winner. The player can take each of his coins from the bay to the starting point only when he gets one on the dice and moves from there as per the number 4 on the dice. A player can put his opponent's coin back to the bay when his coin gets to occupy the same position as that of the opponent's coin. Then the opponent should move the coin once again from the starting point only when he gets one on the dice. Are you clear, children? Okay. Next, practice. Arrange the instructions in order by writing the numbers 1 to 7 that help us to draw the pictures of a cat. See the picture here. First one, draw a circle. Second one, Draw 2 ears. Third one. Draw eyes and nose. Fourth one. Draw mouth and mustache. Fifth one. Draw the neck, body and 2 legs. Sixth one. Draw a tail. Seventh one. Color the cat. Draw eyes and nose, put the number 3. Draw a circle, put the number 1. Color the cat, put the number 7. Draw the neck, body and 2 legs, put the number 5. Draw mouth and mustache, put the number 4. Draw 2 ears, put the number 2. Draw a tail, put the number 6. Are you clear, children? Okay. We will see you in the next class. Thank you. God bless you.